Yes, this is the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the first iPhone with a physical capture button, that too physical. First iPhone where charging is greatly increased. That has 40 watt fast charging and 20 watt wireless charging. This time on iPhone non-Pro model performance will great, because A18 chipset in non-Pro models and A18 Pro chipset on Pro model. This year iPhone first time coming with AI features, and it's first time iPhone that has 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and it also has a 5x optical zoom. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is the biggest iPhone in history, 6.9 inch, and iPhone 16 Pro 6.3 inch.